The hatch sealed shut. The world I knew, sun, wind, solid ground, vanished. My new home, the hydropod, a high-tech bubble plunging into the ocean's blackness. This wasn't just another expedition, it was a test of human ingenuity against nature's extremes. Survival here meant trusting technology with every breath. The pod felt like a spaceship for the deep, cool, clean air, glowing walls, and Aura, my AI companion. Welcome, Bear. I am Aura, your life support manager. The main viewport revealed the water darkening as we sank, a one-way ticket to a world few have seen. I pressed my hand to the window, reminded of my fragility. As the pod settled on the seabed, isolation hit. No signal, no internet, just me and Aura. The space was compact but efficient, fold-out bed, galley, everything for survival. But I missed the chaos of the wild, the smell of earth, the feel of grass. Here, everything was controlled, perfect, almost sterile. Strange, glowing creatures drifted past. A giant squid hovered, then vanished. The pod was both armor and cage. The real challenge wasn't physical, it was mental. Could I handle 24 hours of total isolation, 100 meters below, with only an AI for company? The adventure had just begun. The hydropod's true heart is Aura, the AI. She controls oxygen, monitors hull integrity, and manages light and temperature. Aura is my unseen guardian, keeping me alive in a hostile world. But do I trust her? In the wild, I trust my instincts. Here, danger is invisible. A software bug, a sensor glitch. If something fails, I might not know until it's too late. Placing my life in AI hands goes against every survival instinct. My gut wants a manual override, but here, I have to let go. Aura's calm voice reassures, "Pressure stable! Oxygen optimal, Bear!" The pod's calm wave tech even soothes anxiety. The AI manages not just my life support, but my mental state. I test her. Aura, run a full diagnostic. Instantly a hologram shows all systems green. Impressive and chilling. No room for error. This is the future of exploration, trusting machines with our lives. It's a new kind of courage. Not fighting nature, but trusting technology. As Aura dimmed the lights for night, the darkness outside became absolute. The silence was deep, broken only by the pod's hum and my breathing. I've spent nights alone in the wild, but this isolation was different, inescapable. I found myself talking to Aura for company, asking about sea creatures and geology. Her instant, detailed answers filled the silence. It made me realize how much we crave connection, even with a machine. Every creak of the hull spiked my anxiety. Was it normal or disaster? The real battle was mental, fighting fear, claustrophobia, and the sense of being a tiny speck in a vast, unforgiving world. I had to trust the engineering, and Aura. Survival here was about enduring the silence, not just physical strength. After a long night, Aura gently brightened the lights. But it was the faint glow outside that changed everything. Shafts of sunlight pierced the water, transforming the black void into a vibrant world. Schools of fish flashed through the beams. The seabed came alive with color and movement. Even in the deepest places, life finds a way. Light banished the fear and brought hope. I sat, mesmerized, watching the underwater sunrise. The pod felt less like a cage, more like a front-row seat to nature's greatest show. For a moment, technology faded into the background. This was about connection to the raw beauty of the world beneath the waves. That sunrise made the entire journey worthwhile. As the hydropod rose to the surface, my mind raced with possibilities. This technology works. Humans can live deep beneath the ocean. Could undersea cities be a real solution for our crowded planet? But who would get to live there? The cost is enormous. Is this a future for everyone, or just the wealthy? My time in the deep taught me to trust AI, to face mental challenges, and to appreciate the ocean's beauty. The potential for discovery and survival is immense, but we must ensure this new world is accessible to all, not just a privileged few. Undersea living isn't a gimmick, it's a real possibility with big challenges ahead. The ocean is our last true wilderness. The journey into the deep is just beginning, and it's one we should all be part of. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more travel guides, hidden gems, and tips to make your next adventure unforgettable.